Hello, friends. Welcome back to another round of my crypto predictions and trading signals. Today is the 14th of September. So, we are starting to see that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are going down. My model has been basically giving correction signals since nonstop since basically the last hours of the 12th of September. So we're starting to see the correction forming up. We have to see if this can go even lower. If we go to other coins, for example, Ethereum, it's also going down. Solana, it's kind of the best performing right now because it's been just recently that it's going down. We go to uh, IOTA, also going down, possibly the sharpest drop right there, kind of a juicy short. So let's just go and check what the predictions had to say about these days. So all of these days are in yellow. That means either range or volatility. We do have some days within the red box. This is a large range of days from the 12 to the 15. We're talking many days. And we're starting to see that basically, possibly today or tomorrow, we're going to see a very sharp drop, and that could happen any minute, really, any time now, and that's possibly going to drive down the levels, the price down. In the case of Bitcoin, let's see. If we try to measure this, we'll have to drop maybe to around this level. Okay, 2% and a half drop sounds reasonable. Maybe that's what we can expect to see in the next coming hours, days. For the 16, we got a green day, basically an impulse. So we'll have to see if the model can actually confirm this impulse. It's too early for this. If we try to go to possibly one of the longest, this is a large time frame, daily time frame. So still no correction signals, okay? Even today, right now. But this could change very soon. We have to see. So this is what the model really does best. Trade very short time frames. And by very short, I don't really mean just 1 second or 1 minute. I mean 4 hours, 6 hours, something like that, even daily. But yeah, guys, for actually predicting the future, there's no better way than just going with my predictions because these are long term predictions, okay? Going weeks, months, even years. And there is no indicator in the world that can do that. Even my own indicator, which is amazing. It's very effective, like I said, for short time frames, but not so much for actually predicting the future. So we have to see what the 16th of September brings to the table for cryptocurrencies. Regarding Bitcoin, after that day, we can possibly see major drops on the 18, 19. Possibly these days could be a sharp drop. They could also be potentially very volatile days, especially the 19, which has many volatility patterns for that day. So we'll have to see what goes on with that. But yeah, we can see basically, I mean, the time to short has already kind of passed. For example, shorting Ethereum was really good when the first signal came up, was very solid, a very solid call. Again, it could keep going even lower in the coming hours. But yeah, if I were to say, this was a day kind of in range, very much like yesterday, at least a big part of yesterday. So that's what we can see for Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at IOTA. Like I said, IOTA also having a sharp drop right now. Currently, from the starting position of the day, around here, somewhere around here, I believe, we got to the lowest position. We got nearly a 4% drop. currently at almost 3%, very similar to the level that this resistance that was briefly top, and it actually broke through the resistance, but it's now going down. So if this can turn around and be a bullish scenario, a bullish trend, this could be a new support. Otherwise, we'll have to drop down to the basically the start of the week, which is right there. And that reminds me, actually, that this is basically the last day of this week. So we got a full green week, which goes against the prediction that I had that this week could actually be one of the worst. So September has been extremely rare, extremely anomalous. So many things going on that are very rare. Not even just on finance, even other stuff that I've been doing. I mean, even geopolitical stuff. You already know many crazy things just happened on this month. So it's been behaving very, very rare, very weird. Not just according to me, according to other people who have also been tracking the markets. There are some very weird, very weird patterns regarding September. Something's going on really. So I don't know if this is market manipulation or whatever, but to fail 2 weeks, this is unheard of. Not even in my tests, I had actually done that. So whatever, we have to see go how the rest of the month goes. But yeah, guys, it's coming. It's going to get really good very soon because I will basically deploy the signals and possibly the Telegram channel for this week, maybe. If not this week, the next one, because I'm still kind of finishing up with some details, but still doing really amazing with the sports prediction as well. We cover all games of the NFL, which played today, all of them. And I believe I got like 80%, 90%, something like that, all of them right. We got all of the parlays correct, so also a massive bonus, and it's going to get even better from now on. So basically, that's all I have for you guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, follow the work, and follow me on the other social medias that I have, especially on Twitter, which is where I'm the most active. And that's basically all I have to say. Take care.